Hello guys! So try nating sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. Evaluate 8 minus 16 divided by 8 times 2. So kapag nakaka-encounter tayo ng mga ganitong problem, ang tatandaan lang natin is yung tinatawag nating PEMDAS. So P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So laging itong unang dalawa yung i-consider natin, okay? Kapag may parenthesis, yun muna. And then, kapag wala ng parenthesis, yung may exponent naman yung isusunod natin. Pero pagdating dito sa MDAS na, dito lalo sa M at D, tsaka AS, or yung multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction, parang magka-group sila. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Yung multiplication and division, kung ano man yung mauna sa order nila, doon sa ating expression or sa ating equation, yun yung uunahin natin. Okay? Hindi pwedeng palaging multiplication, hindi pwedeng palaging division. Okay? Basta kung ano yung mauna. Hindi siya automatic na since PEMDAS, multiplication lagi yung unahin natin. Hindi siya ganon. Okay? So naka-bracket siya. Whether multiplication or division, as long as kung ano yung mauna sa series ng equation or expression na meron tayo. Same with addition and subtraction. Kung ano lang yung mauna sa kanilang dalawa, whether addition man yan or subtraction, yun yung una nating i-perform. Okay? So by that, masasagot natin itong ating first question. So we have 8 minus 16 divided by 8 times 2. So anong unahin natin based sa ating PEMDAS? So kung makikita nyo, meron tayong subtraction, multiplication, and division. So anong nauna sa multiplication and division natin? Kasi yan yung unahin natin. Wala tayong parenthesis, wala tayong exponent. So nauna yung division. So ibig sabihin, ito yung una nating i-perform. Okay? Hindi porket MDAS, nauna yung multiplication sa MDAS, multiplication yung una nating i-perform. Hindi. Ibig sabihin, any of the two na mauna. So since division yung nauna, yan yung una nating i-perform. So copy muna natin tong 8 minus, and then simplify natin yung 16 divided by 8. That is 2. And then copy natin yung times 2 na natira sa pinaka-right side. So ngayon, we are left with subtraction and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS or MDAS, multiplication yung kailangang unang i-perform. So copy natin uli yung 8 minus, so perform natin 2 times 2, that is 4. And now, meron na lang tayong subtraction. 8 minus 4, that gives us 4. So, ito yung ating sagot for this problem, 4. So, for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. So, that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.